Hi, welcome to CreepGame Assignment 2.06. This is a big assignment because we're moving away from Pong, which is old school, and we're moving towards a more modern game, Capture the Flag. This will be a big change. It'll be fun. So basically the requirements are that we want to use our FbxImporter tool from last assignment, and we want to process an FBX file that we've been given, which has Capture the Flag data in it. We want to pull out the game scene data. We want to pull out the game collision data, and we want to write them out in our custom binary file format. And then we want to load the Capture the Flag scene data from this format into our new game, and also load the collision data into our new game. We want to implement a camera system with a first-person camera, and we want to implement a collision system which uses that collision data to handle collisions with the walls and the floor. So let's take a look. Here's our solution. Let's run the game. Wow, big change, huh? A nice full screen. So here's our new Capture the Flag game. This is the arena. There's our humanoid and monster that we kind of introduced in the last assignment, and I'm looking around right now with mouse look. I've got a first-person camera attached to my mouse look, and there's the red flag over there in the corner, and in the opposite corner will be the blue flag. Let's go take a little walk and we'll see that. So you can see up there is the blue flag. Let's go up these stairs. So you can see I'm going up these stairs. Obviously there's some collision working with the floor there. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to ascend. And now here's a ledge. We're going to fall off this ledge. You'll see there's some gravity in place, which pulls me back down to the floor. Obviously collision's working with the floor. So we see some untextured boxes there, which I've randomly colored the verts with to show that our render engine can handle both textured and untextured geometry. And then we're going to try out a little collision here. So let's run up into this wall here, and we'll come at it from an angle, and our collision system will allow us to slide along this wall until we reach the corner there with that low wall. And then if I try and go forward on this low wall, we see we just slide along that until I finally get past it. So our collision system with the walls looks good, but let's try this wall. Huh, went right through it. What's going on here? Well, I added some debug menus to help us with stuff like this. So let's take a look. There's some widgets here that I've added. There's one to show the scene and show the collision scene. So if I turn, the scene is currently on. If I hit the checkbox and turn it off, you'll see that all our scene data is gone. But now I'm going to move down to the collision scene and turn that on. And you see here's our collision data. Get rid of the debug menu. And you can see they're pretty flat rectangular objects, which is perfect for collisions, right? It doesn't look good, but I've assigned random colors to each vertex in this collision data so that you could see and have a bit of a 3D effect to it. But notice right in front of me there's no collision data for that wall. Let me turn the scenery back on. You see there's a wall there, no collision data there. So our artist kind of put a little bit of an Easter egg here to mess with our minds, I guess. So you can see we've met the requirements, and this is the end of my overview for my CreepGame Assignment 2.06. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.